For that reason, it's not pure. Okay. Coming to the next set of questions. These are dependent on the software we use. Generally, if you install Java on your machine, you will install JDK. Some people only install JRE. Okay, so what is JDK, JRE, JVM? What is the difference between them? Mainly, they may stress on JVM. What is its significance? Okay, because of JVM only, we are achieving that platform independence feature. Okay, and how many types of memory areas are allocated by the JVM, and what is meant by JIT compiler. Okay, if you want to see the relation between JDK, JRE and JVM and JIT, with a Venn diagram you can see. With a Venn diagram you can see, if you are able to see this, JIT is enclosed in JVM, which is enclosed in JRE, which is enclosed in JDK. Okay. Full form of JDK is Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. Show you through this. This is an important concept everyone should be aware of. Where is the picture? Okay. See, if you observe this, JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Okay, JDK encloses JRE plus few other components. One is compiler is showcased here, debugger is there, and many more components which are needed for the development of the Java applications. Okay, this compiler which is present in the JDK takes our .java source files and converts them into class files, like how we do Java C space some hello.java. Okay, that Java C is nothing but Java compiler, that is part of JDK. So that class files will be given to the Java runtime environment. The Java runtime environment, with the help of Java virtual machine, converts that class file. Class file is not a machine code, it is byte code. Converts that class file byte code into machine understandable form and then runs. Okay, JVM is the thing which is separating Java from other programming languages. Java virtual machine, it has its own platform. We are not dependent on the platform on which we are running the program. Virtual machine, that means Java has its own platform. Okay, so this JRE is dependent on the system you are using. We have to install JRE based on the system you have. Okay, this JVM encloses JIT compiler to load your code to memory. Okay. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is a software development environment. It is used to create Java applications and applets. And JRE stands for Runtime Environment, in which the implementation of Java JVM is there. And this is the hero. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is the engine used by the JDK to provide runtime environment to run your Java code or its applications. Okay. Main function of JVM. What's the main function of JVM? It converts the bytecode, that means the dot class file, into machine language. Okay. And to clearly understand the differences, you can see this table. When people ask you to say about these three, JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and it is necessary to compile, document, and package your Java programs. And JRE is runtime environment. This is the runtime environment in which your bytecode, that dot class file, executes. Java Virtual Machine is an abstract machine. It provides the runtime environment in which your bytecode is executed. Okay. And JIT is a compiler. Java is an interpreted language, but JIT compiler is placed in JVM. It helps in converting the bytecode into instructions which are sent to the processor. Okay. So whenever a Java method, when we invoke Java method to run the programs, whenever a Java method is invoked, Java JIT compiler is enabled automatically. Okay. And the JVM